I'll go ahead and click getting started, and I'll log in as a client. For those who don't have an account, you can go ahead and sign up by clicking there, and you sign up as a client. You can also start as a transporter for you to help us bring in our products, and we'll pay you. So for now, we shall go ahead and sign in. So with Ridelink, you get to put in a product that you want us to help us to the product that you want us to help you to bring in into the country. Now with this you can give us information about your product. So by the time we reach out to you with a final or quote a baseline that we can start on negotiating on, we already know what you want us to bring in, and it will reduce of the back and forth of writing emails, and you know how disturbing that can get. So you can since it's a new account, there is a dashboard on this left side. You can also see which orders are on pending, which ones are on trip, which ones have been delivered, and which ones have been rejected. We also have an export functionality in case you have very many orders, so you can export them all of them. You can filter them by date. You can make a request for a quote from clicking here or clicking here. And then we also have this profile side where you can switch between being a client and a transporter, and you can also log out from there. So for today, as you can see, for now we don't have any orders. We are going to create a new order. So in this you can send animation. You can import a packing list if you already have one from your supplier, but for now we can go ahead and just add a product. So you can add the product manually if you know the items offered. You can also, if you just what you have is already a container with all your items in, and you just want to bring everything in, you click there. And also down here we have some links in case you want to use our Ridelink app. We have a version that you can access from the Apple Store. You can also access from the Google Play Store. We also have our social media handles that are linked from here in case you want to visit us and find out more. You can also change the weights that you want to use, dimensions, and you can also see an example of how a packing list should look like in case you want to import one. So for now, I'll go ahead and I'll use add product. So for now we can we can only say we are bringing in barrels of petroleum oil, centimeter radius says 40 centimeters, height is 100 centimeters, weight is 5 kilograms, quantity is 100, and we can add the package. We can also add in more items if we want. Let's say we want peppers with length 20 centimeters, width 20 centimeters, height is 40 centimeters, weight is 0. No, let's just make it 1 kg. I know that doesn't make sense, but for now we can move with that. We can add the package, and we can go ahead and move at the next stage. We will have recommendations for which kind of containers you can use in case you're using the sea. We have the 40 feet standard container. We also have the 40 high cube, and you also see the capacity attached and the maximum weight they can take. You also have your road in case you're bringing them. Let's say you want to bring them from Mombasa to Kampala, that is by road. So this is from the tracks that we can choose from. For air, we don't have a visualization for that, so you just give us information and we see how to proceed. So for now we shall use the C method. So you select one and then you proceed. Items will be filled in or aligned in the container, and as you can see, the petroleum takes the biggest number of CBM in the container, and the remaining percentage goes to the papers, and we still have space left. So in case you want to aggregate some more things, you can let us know, so you can proceed to the next stage, which is selecting the origin. So let's say I want my things brought in from Turkey, and exact pickup I want it to be Istanbul, Turkey. You also select the pickup date. I want it to be picked up on 21st. Origin port, port of Istanbul. You can also choose the Incoterms in case you have them prearranged. You can select the destination on which things are going to be. This so that our logistics team doesn't follow up, I can just let them know this is a test order for demo, so that they don't follow up. But for you, you put your own kind of instructions. Let's say maybe please hurry up, these are dangerous goods, maybe these are special goods, handle with care, such kind of instructions, so that we know. So you can go press ahead, and you can go ahead and click get quote. You'll be shown a summary of what you should expect, and we can go ahead and submit. So now, once you submit, you'll be informed your order has been. Thank you for placing an order. Our team will be in touch with you shortly, so you can we can wait for our logistics associates to reach out to you, since you have given them the information on what they need from you for your order to be worked on. So as you can see, our numbers here have changed. We have one new pending order. So now once this order is approved, it will move over from pending to on trip, and you'll be able to track your goods whenever they come. Remember, we talked about the tracking tool. You can head over to our other videos to know how to track your good. That other video will be also availed in our channel, and also the total cost will be here updated after it has been approved. Thank you for coming.